So, alright, let's break down what's going on with the Pixel 10. Because while the excitement is definitely building, it looks like we're going to be waiting a bit longer than expected. Here's the latest. Google hasn't officially revealed anything about the Pixel 10 lineup yet, but multiple trusted sources are reporting that the company is planning to replace the Pixel 9 on August 20th. That's when we're expecting to see not just the base Pixel 10, but also the higher-end models. But here's where things get a little messy. Early leaks pointed to an August 13 release date, about a week earlier than what's now being talked about. But apparently, Google hit a snag and quietly shifted the timeline back. To keep the momentum going in the meantime, Google had teased a special Pixel Superfans event to keep their most dedicated followers engaged. And now, that event's been delayed too. Android Authority reports that Google reached out to the lucky fans who were selected for the June Pixel Penthouse event to break the bad news. The company said, "While we're no longer able to extend invitations to the Pixel Penthouse event due to unforeseen circumstances, we're excited to offer you an exclusive alternative prize, an early invitation to our next event, Pixel Superfans Insider Event, on September 4th. What does all this tell us? Well, when Google first announced that Superfans event, it got people thinking that the Pixel 10 series, including the Pixel 10 Pro, and maybe other surprises could arrive sooner than we thought. But with this delay, those hopes have definitely been dialed down a bit. As for what's actually in the pipeline, the leaks are coming in hot. Besides the Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro, there's talk of a Pixel 10 Pro XL and a new foldable Pixel device. And of course, the Pixel Watch 4 is expected to show up too, likely in 2 sizes just like the last gen. But if you're waiting for a new Pixel tablet, so far, there's nothing credible suggesting one is on the way just yet. So that's where we're at. The Pixel 10 buzz is still alive, but it looks like we'll all need a little more patience before the official reveal. Drop a comment below. Are you planning to grab the Pixel 10, or is something else catching your eye this year? And as always, I'll catch you in the next video.